Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about FORM Beauty. I am a FORM Beauty ambassador, very happy to be one, and I'm going to tell you guys all about this company. So FORM Beauty is a fairly new company. They are the sister company to Bevel. If you've heard of them, they are a company for men's like shaving care and things like that. Both companies are owned by the Walker Company, which dedicates themselves to creating products for men and women of color. So they got the Bevel shaving stuff for the men, and now they have FORM Beauty for both men and women. And their products are for textured hair, from wavy to curly to coarse to kinky to relaxed hair. Their products are formulated with great ingredients so you can feel good about using their products on your hair. And their products are meant to improve the health of your hair over time, and that is what we are all here for, is for some slayed healthy hair. So FORM Beauty products will do that for you. One of the things that I really like about FORM Beauty is that they customize a hair regimen for you. FORM Beauty is so cool. You can go on their website, formbeauty.com, and take their FORM Consultation. And what that does, it's basically a questionnaire that's going to ask you questions about your hair, about your daily or weekly routine with your hair, to help figure out which one of their products would be best suited for you. So questions that you might get asked is, how often do you wash your hair? Another question that they ask is, how do you style your hair weekly? Do you wear hair extensions, braids, weaves, things like that, just so they can figure out, how you manipulate your hair on a weekly and monthly basis, so they can suggest good products for you to use. Then once you get your results, it's going to look a little something like this. You're going to have a list of all the products that they suggest for you, and you can either purchase them separately or in a bundle. And then they even go as far as to tell you about specific products, what it's used for, and how you use it. And then, you can go and click on a different product and it will tell you about that one. So some of the products that I have right now, I have the travel size of the Multitask Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is just a really great base to use on your styling. You can start off your styling using this, and my hair is styled from a twist out using these products that I'm telling you about right now. The next product that I have is the travel size of the Define, which is a curl cream. You can use these for twist outs or wash and goes, depending on how it works best for your hair. And then the last one that I have is their Sculpt, which is a defining curl gel, and this can be used for wash and goes. So yeah, definitely check out formbeauty.com, and drum roll, discounts. We love discounts. You can get 10% off of your purchase when you use my discount code, which is LaToya_Diana. I'll put it here on the screen, as well as there will be a link in the description bar. So be sure to use that link so you can get 10% off, because who wouldn't want to get a discount on these awesome products? So that is FORM Beauty, and they always have cool things going on their social media, so make sure you follow them at FORM Beauty on their social media. I'll link that on the screen and in the description bar below. Definitely check out these products. They're really cool, and they're made with great ingredients, which is always, always, always a plus. So let me know if you guys have tried FORM Beauty before, or if you plan on trying them. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these products. Let me know what you think of my twist out result using these products. My tutorial will be up on my channel very soon. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this awesome brand. I'll see you guys in my next video.